So Josh's parents own a wedding venue. I don't know if you can hear, but they're playing Thriller. I want to do that song at my wedding, and we're all going to dance to it. Yeah. It's like dancing to the music. A goat sneezed on my face today. How was your day? This is the culprit who sneezed on me. Yeah, you did. Yes, you sneezed on me, you little stinker. Probably hear the chicken. Chick, 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 chick. Chicken's name is Cordon Bleu. This is Mowgli. And over there you have Spot, who is the paint, and Sarah, who is the Arabian. Hi, Sarah! Hi, chicken. And there's a little kitty that runs around here too. She's just kind of a little stray kitty that just kind of adopted the place. I don't see her right now, but we call her Shadow Kitty. Hi, Mowgli! You gonna say hello to everyone? Yes, say hello. Oh, you're all wet because you're drinking. And he's so cute when he gets excited, he wags his tail. Don't you, buddy? You're a good girl, huh? Yeah, you're a good girl. Except for when you sneeze in people's faces. That's not nice. So this is the Mowgli's. He's really sweet. Right, baby? Say, I'm really sweet. But he keeps getting crusties in his nose. So literally all I did was just lift up his nostril to look and make sure it wasn't an infection or something. And he turns and he goes, phew, right in my face. So I guess I got like snot all down my neck and everything. Hi, baby. Oh, you're a sweet boy. You're a sweet boy. Yes, don't sneeze on me again. So yeah, this is the Mowgli's. He's a Nubian goat, and he's very sweet. I think he's a couple years old. I can't remember exactly. He's not terribly old though. Hi, baby. He's got a little name tag and a little collar. Right, buddy. All right, let's go see if we can find the horses, shall we? Mowgli has to say hello. Here are the horses. Hi, Spot. Hi, baby. Spot is actually blind on his left side. So on this side, he is blind. But he's been being a pill to Sarah, too. Hey, Spot. Hey, come on. Hey, be nice. Come on, be nice. He is a glutton. You can see that he's a very fat horse. Right, baby. And you're a brat, huh? You are a bratty boy, aren't you? Yes. And this is Sarah girl. She's very old. Aren't you, sweet girl? Hi. Hey, Sarah. Oh, there you go. And Spot's jealous because I'm paying attention to Sarah and not him. And Mowgli is also jealous because he wants to eat my pants. You can't eat my pants. You can't eat my pants. No, you can't. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Spot. Hi, baby. He is a food glutton too. This thing will do anything for food. It is ridiculous. You can make your nose round, huh? One little scratch, scratch. There you go. But yeah, they're good horses. They're good horses. The goat. They all like to be together. It's so funny. He's blind on this side, so I don't care. But he's got this little spot right there. call it sweet itch, is when he's healing perfectly. Look at this. His tail got eaten by gnats, so his tail is pretty thin right now, but he's a good horse. Really pretty paint. And then, of course, Sarah, you can tell she is quite old. Right, baby girl. Now that's the leg that got hurt right there. So you can see she's kind of not putting all her weight on it, but she's doing so much better. Come on, Sarah. What you doing? Good girl. Good girl, Sarah. I'll bring you some apples later if you want. Would you like some apples? Yeah? Girl, Sarah. Good girl. So, yep. Horses. Mowgli is a glutton for attention, aren't you? Bye. So this is part of the back property here, behind the house. That all back there is not theirs, but it is a beautiful field to look out over. But all along here, they have, ooh, it's quite dusty. His dad just graded all this, so. But along here you have blackberry bushes, raspberry bushes, birds. Lots of birds. Okay. Raspberries. I'm thinking actually of taking a few starts home because they're so good. So raspberries down there. This is blackberries right here. And they have monster blackberries. Look at these suckers. Oh my word. They are so delicious. Look at that puppy. It's very sweet. Very good. I guess Josh's stepmom was telling me that they, or she, picked pounds and pounds of fruit this summer. As you can see here, there are grapes. So they have a grapevine, purple grapes. These grapes are very seedy though, as in they have a lot of seeds, you know. And then I believe down here is more green grape. I'm not exactly sure where it ends and where it starts, but yeah, all the grapes along there. Now back in there are all fruit trees. That tree unfortunately used to come out because he died, but there's apple trees, pear trees, peach trees, all along there. Lots and lots of fruit trees. And my absolute favorite part of this whole place is in here. It's a little bit weedy, but if you look down here, there are golden raspberries, and these are the most delicious things I have ever tasted in my life. They're so sweet. Look at that. I hope I'm in frame. But they're so sweet. And just, oh my gosh. But right in the middle there is a beehive or nest or something. Leslie found that out the hard way. So yeah, we gotta be kind of careful going back in there and picking, but yep, that's their property. Well, this part anyways. Isn't it awesome? As you can see, their apple tree had a little bit more apples than they could handle. So this is a Gala apple. And I think this is a Granny Smith maybe, some kind of green apple. And then you got apple tree there, apple tree there. I think there's 2 back in there. There's a peach tree. I mean, it's crazy. There's just like a little orchard back here. I'm going to go take some apples to the animals with Mr. Clancy over there who's looking for his ball. So, let's go give the animals some yummy treats, shall we? I'm showing mostly the ground here, guys, because I don't want to show off any indicators of their place. It's just for privacy reasons, you know, it's not my place, and I don't want to, you know, obviously invade their privacy by putting stuff on the internet. So, you're going to see the ground until I get to the animals. Hey, guys! Want some treats? I got some apples. Sarah, Spot, come on. Come get him. Sarah, come on. Come on, girl. Mowgli. Come on, Mowgli, come here. I got some apples for you. Come on, buddy. Good boy, Mogs. Come on. Here, look. Look, buddy. Come on, Moody's. He's coming. Horses will figure it out in a minute once they realize the goat's eating some treats. Come on, Mogos. Come on. Sarah, come on, girl. Come on, Sarah. Mogies, you take so long. You don't want your treats that badly? Silly goat. You silly goat. Come here. Want an apple? Here you go. Oh, num 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 num. Would you like some more? Oh, num 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 num. Num num nums, huh? Yeah, so good. Come on, Sarah, you want an apple? Come on. Here, Mo, you can come in. Come on. Come in here. Come on, Mogs. Come on. Good boy. Oh. You're so cute when you eat. Sarah, come on. Spot. Come on, guys. Oh, now who's being greedy? Now who's being greedy? Sarah, I got a big apple for you. Come on. Ow, dude, get off my foot. Get off my foot, dude. Yeah, I know. You want more. No, you gotta be patient. Here you go. Over there. Oh, over here. Over here. There you go. Good boy. I can go out if I can squeeze under the beam. Of course, it's their apples. Hi, Mogies. Since they're being pills and not wanting to come to me. Come on. Come on. Spot, what do I got? Spot, look. Oh, really? Pasture grass is more exciting to you, eh? Wait till he realizes that Sarah's getting something and then he'll be all about it. Here, Sarah. Want an apple? Come on. Hey, girl. Oh, what'd I tell you? Here's Spot. Hey, buddy. And Mr. Mogi. Here, Sarah, I'll give you the smaller piece. There you go. Spot. Alright, that's for Sarah. Here you go. Good girl. Good girl. Here's Spot. Here's a little, oh, you saw chewing. Okay, Mogies gets that one. Mowgli, you don't want any more? That was a big piece, huh, buddy? Is that good? You all still chewing your apples? Oh, nummies. I guess Mowgli's done. You're welcome. Oops. Is that good? Look, all gone. All gone. No more. Sorry. Sorry, all gone. I'm sorry. I know you want more, but you can't have more. You're all gone, buddy. Silly horse. You silly horse. All gone. You gonna lick it clean? Yeah, I'm sorry. All gone. Come on. Poor baby doesn't get any more because it's all gone. Poor baby. Yes, you're poor baby, aren't you? I know.